tournament like Livingston is not here, Visto, how important these guys for you, and going into World Cup, how it will help you playing against the Pakistan, because they got some quality bowlers like so Haris Rauf and Naseem Shaw performed really well, and also talk about Alex Hales coming after a very long time to the England side.
Our Livingston, Bairstow, these guys, Ben Stokes, they're big players for us, and of course they're not here at the minute, but that gives opportunities to other players, which is exciting. We have a lot of depth in our squad, so when guys are desperate for that opportunity, it breeds competition within the squad, and guys wanting to step up and take that chance, so that's exciting. As you mentioned, Pakistan are a very strong team. They'll give us a really tough challenge, and we look forward to that. It will be very battle-hardened going into the World Cup after a short, a tough 7-match series. And yeah, Alex Hales back in our squad. We know what a fantastic player he is. He's an incredibly destructive player at the top of the order. I'm sure Pakistan fans have seen him in the PSL perform brilliantly well, so I'm sure he's looking forward to playing out here as well. Livingston, Bairstow, these guys, Ben Stokes, they're big players for us, and of course they're not here at the minute, but that gives opportunities to other players, which is exciting. We have a lot of depth in our squad, so guys are desperate for that opportunity. It breeds competition within the squad, and guys wanting to step up and take that chance, so that's exciting. As you mentioned, Pakistan are a very strong team. They'll give us a really tough challenge, and we look forward to that. To be very battle-hardened going into the World Cup after a short, tough 7-match series. And yeah, Alex Hales back in our squad. We know what a fantastic player he is. He's an incredibly destructive player at the top of the order. I'm sure Pakistan fans have seen him in the PSL perform brilliantly well. So enjoy the series. I think we're well aware as well that the people of Pakistan are going through a bit of a tough time with the playing as well. So we hope we can. Sport has a great power to unite people and get focused. My participation, I'm not sure when I'll be match fit, but I'll be doing everything I can to try and get